In this tutorial, I'm going to go over attaching files and viewing attachments. Attaching files is really easy in Gmail. Some of the features that I like the best are the ability to select more than one file at a time to attach, as well as the capability of dragging and dropping things to attach. You can attach up to 25 megabytes of information, which is more than what we were previously able to do, so sending and receiving documents should be much easier. The only document you cannot send is a file extension that ends in .exe. This file extension is basically an executable file or program. Let's take a look at how you would go about attaching a file. I'm going to start a new email. I'm going to compose, and I'm going to send my email. It's thinking here a second. And in my subject, I'm going to put in please review. And now to attach a file, I can either take the file from my desktop and I could drag and drop the file in the attached area, or I could search for the file. I could click attach another file, and I could browse for the file. Gmail tutorials, and there we go. So the dragging and dropping is a really nice feature, and also attaching a variety of files. You can see here I can attach quite a few files all at once, which is a feature I really like. Then you have the body of the email. While that's uploading, I'm going to type, Karen, please review the files before our meeting. And if I want to send a carbon copy, I can add a carbon copy as well. So that is how you would attach files. And now if I sent it, all of the documents would be included. I'm not going to actually send that one at this time, so I'm going to go back to my inbox, and now I'm going to show you how you would go about viewing a document that has an attachment. So right here you can see this document has an attachment. So when I click on that, you will see that in this document I have what's called a threaded discussion, which we'll talk about a little bit later too, but we also have an attachment. And when I click on the attached file, I can either view as HTML, so I could view right in my browser window, or I could actually download this file so that I have it permanently. And there are a lot of advantages to downloading a file versus viewing it in an attachment in the HTML mode. So you'll have to decide what works best for you, but that's how simple it is to view attachments. Let me see, I thought I had another email with some photos in it. So here are some photos that I sent from Chicago, and you notice that it doesn't have an attachment here. Another feature of this email program is that photos can be embedded right in the email, making the photo much more appealing for the end user to view. And this photo is kind of large, so I probably should have scaled it down before I sent it, but it's going to show up right in the body of the email, so that's another nice feature as well. So that is basically how you send and receive attachments.